Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to use EBT card on Uber Eats. First of all, you need to open your Uber Eats app. Then you need to click the account button on the bottom right menu and select wallet. Now in the payment method section, you need to click add payment method. So once you will open this page, you will see EBT Snap card option right here. As you can see right here, I have got this option, but if you don't see it yet, it means it's not yet implemented on your location. So they are promising us that it will be, and they will add it soon, guys. So if you already have got this option, EBT Snap option, you need to click it. And you need to enter your EBT card number right here, and after you will save it, you will use your EBT card as a payment method on Uber Eats. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.